आता खबर विस्तारान. सरकाराचेर कसलोच तणाव ना. एकूण कर्जाची रक्कम आर्थीक वर्सा खातीर 600 रुपया कोटी मेरेन पावला. 10 लाख मेरेनच्या रिणाक सरकाराची मान्यताय मेळटा. चालू आर्थीक वर्सा खातीर 2000 कोटी रुपया म्हण माहिती वित्त सचिव दौलत हवालदार हांणी दिल्या. RD Expo खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Government of India is aggressively doing a lot of things in the financial and economic sector. Now, one of the important initiative is to encourage digital payments. The second important thing what you must have noticed is the growth what is taking place in India is basically popularly it is said that it's a jobless growth. So the emphasis, second emphasis of the Government of India is to create self-employment opportunities. Now there the promotion of this Mudra loans come. And all these aspects, the financial inclusion also is one of the important area, but that remains as a all India kind of a concern. Goa, if you see most of the people have a bank accounts. In fact, Goa is one place where one person is having more than one bank account. If you see, therefore, the popularly what technically what they call as a CD ratio, the deposits are more in Goa, but the credit dispersal is always low. And always there is a concern everywhere in the economy that credit basically for a priority sectors. Now again Goa, when you come for talk about priority sectors, it may not be agriculture. Now it has been shifted. It may be a fisheries, it may be animal husbandry. All these priority sectors basically, the entrepreneurship activity should increase and the banks should disburse the credit. Now that is the main concern. Now these camps are conducted on the basis of a all India kind of a campaign. Not everything we do at all India level is relevant for Goa. Goa has its own specific thing. But the attempt made by the State Bank of India is to popularize these things in Goa, that people should be aware that these are the kind of facilities what banks can give them.
All over India it is being done. For 50 centers it is being done, and Goa is one of the centers. So which we are organizing on 9th of this September, October at Inox area, Inox Courtyard, and which with the contribution and the participation of all the banks and financial institutions, including LIC, NABARD and NPCI, UIDA. And the main purpose is to promote Mudra schemes and the digital payment mode, which is the less cash banking initiative by the Government of India, so that to inculcate the habit in our citizens and members of the society to use maximum digital payment modes, which will be help for less time, even less economy expenditures. This will reduce the expenditure and time consumption also for them as well as all these institutions which are involved for that.